In your tie-dye kit, you will find 6 paper cups. We will be using the 3 larger paper cups to mix up the primary color dyes.
Warm water will help the dye dissolve. Cut a corner off of your dye packet and then squeeze the contents of the packet into the cup. Using a popsicle stick from the kit, stir until dissolved. The dye may need to rehydrate, so if it isn't dissolving into the water right away, let it just sit and rehydrate a little bit. Stir the dye until it is completely dissolved. And now do the same with your other dye packets.
Expand your color range by using the 3 smaller paper cups to mix in the primary colors to make secondary colors: orange, purple, and green. Click on the video below. In the next video, I'll show you how to tie-dye your mask.